Okay, I have a problem here, an example problem, and it says a closed system performed work of 400 joules with 1000 joules of energy in the form of heat supplied to it. And the question is, how did the system's internal energy change? So we're going to look at what the first law states, and that is delta U, or the internal energy, the change in internal energy, is equal to heat, which is Q, plus W for work. And we have the given information, and the given information says that Q, or heat, is equal to 1000 joules. And we get that in the problem from where the problem states that 1000 joules of energy in the form of heat is supplied. And we also have negative 400 joules for W, or work. And we have 400 joules of work being performed by the system. So the work is negative. So if the work were being done to the system, then the work would be positive. But since it's performed by the system, it's going to be negative. So overall, we have delta U is equal to 1000 joules minus 400 joules, and that gives us a change in internal energy of 600 joules.